Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Today I am very excited to share this wonderful dessert recipe with all of you. We're going to make this rich and creamy Arabian bread pudding. Let's get started and check it out. For this special Arabian bread pudding, I've taken some fresh bread slices here. Just cut off the edges. Depending on the size of the bowl, you can adjust the slices. Before we make the custard milk, we're going to dissolve the custard powder with a little bit of milk. I've taken 2 tablespoons of custard powder. To this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of boiled and cooled milk. So I'm just dissolving this custard powder into the milk. So you can see the powder is completely dissolved in the milk. Keep this aside. To a bowl I've taken 1 cup of fresh cream. So we're going to mix the condensed milk into the fresh cream. I'm adding half cup of fresh cream, that's about 125 ml. So you can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. If you like it a little more sweeter, you can add a little more condensed milk. So you can see it's completely dissolved and hence the color change. Keep this aside. Next we're going to make the custard milk. For this recipe I've taken 750 ml of 2% milk. Turn on the stove. So you can see the milk is heated up and it's slowly coming to a boil. Now you need to mix this in intervals because you don't want the milk to stick to the pan. So once the milk begins to boil, you can add the sugar. I've taken 4 tablespoons of sugar. Using a whisk will be very convenient while making the milk custard. Maintain the flame on a medium. Before pouring the custard mix, just mix it once because sometimes the custard powder settles to the bottom. Gradually pour it into the milk. Reduce the flame, pour it in and quickly just give it a nice mix. So the custard mix is completely dissolved with the milk. So you can see this instantly thickens. So you can see the milk, it's got this nice bouncy consistency. So once it comes to this jiggly consistency, turn off the stove. Cool the mixture completely. One bite of this delicious dessert is equal to instant happiness. Do you agree? Well, let me know in the comment section. Let's assemble the pudding. Place the bread slices into a bowl. Just arrange them neatly like this. Now pour the prepared custard milk over the bread slices. Just make sure that the bread slices are completely covered. Now place another layer of bread slices on top. Now repeat the process and pour another layer of the custard milk. So you can see I've covered the bread slices completely with the custard milk. I'm going to top this off by adding this beautiful cream and condensed milk mixture. This is going to make the dessert all the more richer and creamier. So I'm just garnishing with a few chopped nuts. I'm adding some chopped pistachios and some chopped almonds. So there you go. We've assembled this beautiful Arabian bread pudding. So you can cover this bowl, whichever bowl you're using, with a lid or a cling wrap. Keep this bowl in the refrigerator and let this set for about 5 hours. Never freeze the pudding. So you can see this Arabian bread pudding is so beautiful and colorful. This is a wonderful dessert that you can make for any special occasions, birthday parties, dinner parties, and you can surprise your friends and family. Well, ever since I took it out of the refrigerator, I just couldn't wait to taste this. Wow, just look at that. I'm just speechless. It's just pure bliss. Cold, creamy, spongy, it literally melts in your mouth. You must try this. You don't want to miss this one. Well, I'm really happy right now. Just after that bite, you can see my face is all lit up. It's just too good. It's something that everybody will absolutely love and enjoy. So do give it a try and share it with your family and friends and let me know how it turned out for you guys. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.